How to merge videos in Canva. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we will learn how we can merge videos in Canva. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, head over to canva.com or the Canva application. Then under your design, you have to select a video, or you could also go with custom site, but for now, we will go with the video. Then select your preferred ratio. For now, I will just go with the landscape. So once you land on this interface, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, go to uploads and go to videos. And if you have already uploaded your videos into the Canva, you have to select your uploaded videos. If not, click on upload files. Then you have to upload all the video clips that you want to merge into Canva. So from your device, select all the video clips, then click on open. So once you're done uploading your videos, you have to add the videos into your timeline. So first of all, select the first video that you want to add. So this is my video right here. Now you have to add another piece, then select your second video. Again, click on add piece, then select your another video that you would like to merge. Then select your another video, then again select your another video that you want to merge. So add all of your videos into the timeline one by one in your preferred order. Now once you're done with that, you can click on each video. Then you could trim, split or reorder your video. You could also add a transition between the video. Click on this transition option. Then these are some of the transitions that you can add. If you want to edit further, you could also add text. You could also add music or effects on your video as well. If you want to crop your video, click on that video, click on this dragger right here, and then now you could slide the dragger and then resize or split the video. Now once you're done editing all of your video clips, all you have to do is click on share at the top right. Then here you could head over to download, select your download quality, file type, which is MP4 video preferred, then click on download. Once you hit download, this video will get merged and will get downloaded in your device as a merged video. So that's it. That's how you can merge videos in Canva, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.